Maya lived for books. She devoured stories like a hungry wolf. Mysteries, myths, and maps, she loved them all. School was bearable only because of the library. One day, disaster struck. Maya was blamed for a prank. A stack of encyclopedias toppled like a tired titan.
Maya, you are banned from the library.
The librarian, a stern woman with a permanent frown, banished Maya from the library. Devastated, Maya wandered the school hallways. The once welcoming halls seemed cold and lifeless without the promise of her next literary escape. Her heart ached for the comfort of words, for the solace of stories.
What am I going to do without my books?
Wandering aimlessly, Maya stumbled upon a forgotten corner of the school. Dust-covered boxes held forgotten treasures. In one, she found a book unlike any other. It was leather-bound, ancient and warm to the touch. The title was missing, but the pages whispered with forgotten stories.
This feels magical.
As Maya opened the book, a blinding light engulfed her. The air crackled with energy, swirling around Maya like a mini tornado. The scent of old parchment filled her nostrils, and the floor beneath her seemed to vanish.
What's happening?
Maya landed with a thud, the mysterious book still clutched in her hand. She had no idea how she got here, but the book seemed to be the key. Gone were the familiar school hallways, the bustling noise of students and the modern world she knew. In their place stood towering pillars and hieroglyph-covered walls, whispering secrets of a time long past. She was in ancient Egypt. The air was thick with the scent of incense, and the distant sound of chanting filled her ears. A tall figure approached, adorned in gold and linen, his presence commanding and regal.
Welcome, young traveler. You have crossed the boundaries of time. I am Akhenaten, Pharaoh of Egypt. My reign is known for its radical changes and challenges to tradition. What wisdom do you seek in this ancient land?
Akhenaten, a ruler known for his radical ideas, spoke of balance, of challenging traditions and embracing new perspectives. His reign was marked by a shift towards monotheism, worshipping the sun disk Aten. He believed in the power of change and the importance of questioning the status quo. He taught Maya the importance of questioning, of seeking truth beyond the accepted norm. He emphasized that true wisdom comes from understanding different perspectives. Maya realized that to find the answers she sought, she needed to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into the mysteries of the past.
I seek to understand, to find truth beyond what I know. I want to learn from the past to shape a better future. To find truth beyond what I know, I must explore the unknown and question everything.
Then you must learn to question, to seek balance. Only by embracing the unknown can you truly understand the world around you. Only then will you find the truth you desire. Remember, the journey to wisdom is never ending, and each question leads to new discoveries.
The book pulsed with warmth, and Maya was whisked away to a new time and place. She found herself facing a formidable army, terracotta warriors standing at attention as far as the eye could see. Before her stood Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China. His presence was imposing, his gaze sharp and calculating.
You bear witness to my legacy.
Qin Shi Huang, a ruler known for his ambition and ruthlessness, surprisingly spoke of unity and order. He stressed the importance of strong leadership, of a vision that could bind a nation together. Maya learned that even the most ambitious dreams required structure and discipline. The book pulsed once more, transporting Maya to a vibrant palace courtyard. Intricate mosaics adorned the walls, and the air buzzed with the sound of music and laughter. Here she met Emperor Akbar, the third Mughal emperor, known for his wisdom and tolerance.
Understanding is the key to a harmonious world.
Akbar, a ruler renowned for his just and compassionate rule, emphasized the power of understanding. He showed Maya the importance of respecting diverse beliefs and fostering harmony among different cultures.
True strength lies in embracing differences, not fearing them.
Maya learned that true strength lay in embracing differences rather than fearing them. With a final flash of light, Maya found herself back in the dusty corner of her school. The familiar scent of old books and chalk dust filled the air, grounding her in the present moment. She took a deep breath, trying to process everything that had just happened. The ancient book lay open at her feet, its magic spent. The once glowing runes were now dull, and the pages seemed to have aged centuries in mere moments. It was a relic of a journey that had changed her forever. The The whispers of history faded, replaced by the familiar hum of the school building. The distant chatter of students and the echo of footsteps in the hallway brought her back to reality. Yet everything felt different now, as if she was seeing the world through new eyes.
I've only been gone for a few hours, but I feel so different. It's like I've lived a lifetime in those moments. The lessons I've learned, the people I've met, they've all left an indelible mark on me.
Though she'd only been gone for a few hours, Maya felt changed. The weight of her experiences pressed on her shoulders, but it was a comforting weight, one that reminded her of the strength she had gained. The encounters with the three rulers had ignited a fire within her, a thirst for knowledge and a desire to share it with the world. She felt a newfound purpose, a mission to bring the wisdom of the ages to her peers and beyond. She understood now that wisdom wasn't just about reading books. It was about experiencing different perspectives, challenging assumptions, and embracing the richness of human history. Each culture, each story added a new layer to her understanding of the world, and embracing the richness of human history. The artifacts she had seen, the stories she had heard, all contributed to a tapestry of knowledge that she was eager to explore further. Maya knew that her journey was just beginning, and she was ready to face whatever came next with an open heart and mind. The library ban felt trivial now. What once seemed like a monumental loss had transformed into a mere footnote in Maya's grand adventure. The closed doors of the library, once a symbol of restriction, now felt like a distant memory. Maya had journeyed through time, conversed with emperors, and touched the very essence of history. She had walked the ancient streets of Rome, stood beside Cleopatra in her court, and witnessed the rise and fall of mighty civilizations. Each encounter left an indelible mark on her soul, enriching her understanding of the world and its intricate tapestry of stories. She returned to her studies, not as a student seeking good grades, but as an explorer charting uncharted territories of knowledge. Every book she opened was a portal to another world, every page a step deeper into the unknown. Her curiosity knew no bounds, and her thirst for knowledge was insatiable.
I'm not just a student anymore. I am an explorer of knowledge. I seek not just to learn, but to understand, to connect the dots between the past and the present, and to weave a tapestry of wisdom that can guide us into the future.
Maya became a beacon of wisdom for her peers. Her stories were not just tales of the past, but lessons for the present and the future. She captivated her classmates with vivid descriptions of her adventures, making history come alive in their imaginations. She shared stories of her encounters, weaving tales of ancient rulers and forgotten empires. Her words painted pictures of grand battles, epic romances, and the rise and fall of great dynasties. Each story was a thread in the rich tapestry of human history, and Maya was the weaver. Her words sparked curiosity, ignited imaginations, and inspired others to look beyond textbooks and embrace the vast tapestry of human experience. Her classmates began to see history not as a series of dates and events, but as a living, breathing narrative that they were a part of. The library, once forbidden, now felt limiting, for Maya had become a living library herself, her mind a treasure trove of timeless wisdom. She realized that true knowledge was not confined to the pages of books, but lived within the stories and experiences of those who came before us. And in sharing her wisdom, she ensured that the legacy of the past would continue to inspire future generations.